Good afternoon. Welcome back to Montague Travels. My name is Javon Montague, the owner and designer at Montague Travels. So, with the COVID-19, we have expanded into 3D printing consulting services, meaning that we design products that benefit you based on the type of business that you own. Whether it's a desktop organizer, purse latch, you need molds designed for your arts and crafts business, where you send us the designs, we print it out and mail it back to you. You want a ring case, you want a change holder. Things that we design for you that we ship to you with your company's name or logo on it if it comes in an STL format. Currently, we're producing desktop organizers like this one for LWL, which is a religious community group attached to the Women's Lutheran Church in New Orleans. So, what I'd like to show you is a sample of how our business can support you. Whether it's for professional use or personal use, we design and work with you for things that you need. Right now, what I'm going to do is show you my screen. So, the desktop organizer came from Thingiverse under the Creative Commons license. So, to protect the business and to make sure that we are honoring the artist, we only print things that have a Creative Commons license, meaning that it's for community use. As far as pricing, we are building off of a minimum charge order of $15, which covers electricity, materials, and cost, and 9 times out of 10 shipping if you are not based in the New Orleans area. So when we come in and we look at what we're doing, we take the design and I'm going to ungroup it, showing you that I can take it apart. We can easily put the initials of your business, a small logo if it's already designed, and add it to whatever product we want. 3D print it, give us a call or email for inquiry and print time, and we can put it together for your uses and needs. This is just one design. Some of my other customers include Just for Shiggles, which wanted organizer goods and materials for their business. With that meaning that she produces handmade quality goods using a resin mold process. And all that we did at Montague Travel Consulting is that we took her designs that she purchased from another creative source, put them together, and we just printed out her molds. With that being said, we use Ultimaker Cura. I'm going to share my screen with you again. We use Ultimaker Cura to design, not necessarily design, but to prepare for the production process. I have a model for a gaming customer right now. It's going to take an hour to print his design. But again, he's ordering enough to cover his minimum order of $15. Once it's in production, we have a video monitoring system. That way I can keep track and constantly give you feedback and updates of how the production process is going. And then that concludes the service. I'm going to also show you the website. So let me minimize this, of where you can find things. The link will also be in the description. And I'm just going to click on the design showing you the legalities of how it works. So the surgical map strap remixes that a lot of people are finding in various places is designed. But what you're looking for is license, and it tells you under Creative Commons Attribution License. Why are we paused? Okay, so share screen again. Any medium format, we can redistribute and we can build upon. So it's open for commercial use. As long as it has this licensing, we can provide you a service or a product. Thank you in advance for watching Montague Travels and have a great day.